Jinxiang Food Machinery. As an experienced manufacturer in the frozen prepared food machinery industry, we provide global customers with full chain services including factory planning, equipment R&D, installation, and after-sale support, as well as resource integration. With a highly experienced technical team, exquisite manufacturing craftsmanship, advanced production facilities, and a rigorous quality control system, Jinxiang boasts strong R&D capabilities, having obtained more than 20 invention patents and over 100 utility model patents in China. We have also received numerous authoritative industry honors, earning widespread recognition and trust across the sector. Our core product offerings cover pre-processing equipment for food production, intelligent forming machines for frozen prepared foods, and a variety of fully automated production line systems. These solutions are widely applied in meat processing, hot pot ingredient manufacturing, seafood and aquatic product processing, and other diverse scenarios. Whether it's the complete planning and design of a new factory or the equipment upgrading and process optimization of an existing one, Jinxiang delivers integrated solutions that combine customized equipment, technical support, and on-site implementation, helping clients boost production capacity, reduce operational costs,